Hello, welcome to European Open Briefing for Wednesday, March the 13th. I'm Rafael, currency analyst at XM.com, and we're going to be having a look at what's happening in the currency markets today. The pound is edging upwards this morning, despite the fact that yesterday MPs overwhelmingly rejected Theresa May's revised Brexit deal. The markets are expecting that Parliament will vote against a no-deal scenario in another vote that's due to take place in Parliament later today. And in fact, it is the US dollar that is feeling some downside pressure this morning. Yesterday, we had softer than expected inflation numbers out of the US. We can see the dollar index marginally lower, dollar yen also down, but the euro and pound both up against the US counterparts. The pound recovering sharply from yesterday's lows. The Aussie is under pressure as well this morning. It is down by 0.2% following some weak consumer confidence numbers out of Australia. Overall market sentiment is in a risk off mood. We did also have unexpected slump in Japanese machinery orders for January, which added to the global growth concerns, as well as, of course, the ongoing Brexit uncertainty. All of that weighed on Asian indices, so we do have a somewhat positive start now in European equity markets. Taking a closer look now at what's happening in Westminster. So Theresa May yesterday lost her Brexit deal by 391 to 242 votes. This wasn't as bad as the first meaningful vote back in January, but it was still one of the worst in history for the British Parliament. So the British Brexiteer Conservatives decided not to back the deal after the Attorney General, in his legal advice, said that despite the legally binding assurances that May secured from the EU in a late-night talks on Monday, that there's still a risk the UK could be stuck in a backstop indefinitely. So that's why MPs rejected the deal. Once again, we saw the pound gyrating sharply between a high of 1.3288 and a low of 1.3003. At the moment, it's steady around 1.3140. So the second vote that's due to take place today around 19 hours GMT will be on whether or not MPs want to rule out a no-deal scenario. So that's what's keeping the pound supported at the moment, as there's likely to be a majority against a no-deal option. And a quick look at the US dollar, we can see there's been a significant retreat in the dollar index from those 12-week highs set back last week. At the moment, dollar index has fallen to around 96.88. We had softer than expected inflation numbers, which pretty much reinforced the view that the Fed will likely remain on pause for the foreseeable future. But we're going to have more US data coming into focus later today. Durable goods orders are out at 12:30 GMT. So that's it for me. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.